you, but we'll just quickly dip into the primary market action as well. Now, the government's 820 crore rupee Railtel IPO has been subscribed nearly 7 times as of the second day. Omkar Tanksale of Axis Securities is joining in to give us a sense on whether they think it's a good deal, whether you should invest or not. Today is the last day this issue is open. Omkar, morning. Thanks for joining in. We did speak with the management, and I guess everybody is agreeing that it's an interesting business model, mix of PSU as well as private sector revenue. What's your take?
Yes, definitely the Railtel as largest neutral infrastructure provider for telecom services. And as the consumption is rising for digital and telecom, we believe that the rising consumptions will help them to grow in the forthcoming quarters and also on years. Also, if you can just see and glance at a fundamental basis, the highest ROC they have, which is 14% for FY20, and also very good operating margins of 30% consistently. And also they have the continuous dividend paying history for last few years of 20 with a dividend payout ratio of 20%. So it's a decent business with a decent financials. Looks to be very attractive for a subscription. Yes.
Okay. What attracted you more? Is it this margin from railways, which they say is 8.5% plus cost? I mean, it's just a neat 8.5% they get for all services rendered to railways. And the managing director told us that it is more in the case of private companies. So does that look very good?
Yeah, I mean, currently they fetch around 40% from the railways, and as they are growing from the private sector and also an expansion in the overseas like Africa and Kenya, that they are trying to expand, which may fetch a good amount of profitability and operating efficiency. We can expect some of our margin expansion, but as they are going for the private sectors, and the contribution to the top line is getting increased.
Do you have a price target, or is the IPO price the best price?
I mean, we can expect some certain listing gains, and we believe that the main gains that they are going to get from the business perspective with a 12% CAGR for next 2 years. So we can expect around 120, 125 with the target price.
Okay. Well, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us with your thoughts. Okay, so that's the Axis Capital view, and their advises that the Railtel IPO is worth subscribing to. There could be some listing gains as well. Well, the